Hi friends, I'm Jack. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to add more columns or extra columns on your WPS presentation mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to insert column in the table in your WPS presentation mobile, just going to show in this video. So for that, first of all, I just going to insert a table here. So clicking on the table, I just going to insert a table here and click OK. I just going to select it as a 3 into 3. Now you can see, so there is total of 5 rows here. So I 3 rows and 5 columns. So I just need a more columns here. So for that, first of all, you just want to select any cell on the table and click on this icon. You will have this property. I'll click on this and just change to the table property here. And here you will find this option called insert column. Click on this, which can insert a column. For an example, I just need to insert a column after the C. So I just want to select the cell C, then click on this icon option, and you can find option called insert column. Click on this, which will insert a column D. So this all, otherwise you can click on this plus symbol to insert the column directly like this. After creating the column, you can just click on this and you can just resize it by clicking this, and you can just resize it to the directly like this page. This is how you just insert more columns on your WPS presentation mobile. I think this video helped you. Not like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This was Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.